Elta Group was formed in 1996 with a clear purpose: enhancing life through air. Today we operate across 3 continents: Europe, Asia, and Australasia, consistently delivering to improve environments for people, animals, buildings, and equipment. Being privately owned, we cherish our independence and freedom. Our independence allows us to develop our initiatives, encourage innovation, and cultivate the ideas generated by our people with no undue influences or distractions. We define our own profile and the market segments we operate. Our markets are diverse and include applications across various sectors. The group consists of a rich mixture of people of diverse nationality, race, gender, and opinion. We believe that our people are at the core of our success. By sharing ideas, technologies, and talent across our brands, we achieve long-term sustainable growth. Across all of our brands, we are committed to consistently delivering high-quality products designed around our customers' needs and applications. Quality of product is integral and always aligned to ever-changing global industry standards and regulations. We have a keen enthusiasm, a relentless drive, and an unyielding determination to improve both the air quality and the lives of people, animals, building, and equipment internationally. We are Elta Group.